sociālā labklājība, kas lielā mērā ir atkarīga no cilvēka dzīvesveida. Veselības aprūpes speciālisti atzīst.
Stop! Vieglāk veselīgs dzīvesveids ir sabalansēts uzturs, fiziskā slodze un dzīve bez stresa.
She said, don't you worry if I disappear. I told her I'm not really looking for another mistake. I called an old friend thinking that the trouble would wait, but then I jumped right in. A week later returned. I reckon she was only looking for a lover to burn, but I gave her my time. I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Daudz ūdens.
Jābūt visām vielām, kas veidotas cilvēka organisma sastāvdaļās. Tās ir olbaltumvielas, tauki, minerālvielas un vitamīni.
Veselīgs dzīvesveids ir arī labs, kārtīgs un pietiekams miegs.
Žužulača bērni, žužu, pekainami kājiņami, žužu, pekainami kājiņami, Tēvs aizgāja.
Daudz ūdens, ēdiet augļus un dariet to ar prieku.
to be cautious. People tell me not to lose my self-control. People tell me to be flawless. People tell me not to let myself evolve. And I think I don't really get